Do you want to know how you can log into your Durable AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Durable AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Durable AI Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Durable. Go ahead and write down your email address and the password associated with your account and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign into your Durable AI account. If you want to skip that and you want to sign in using your Google, go ahead and click sign in with Google. It will take you to this login portal where you can select your Gmail and then press continue to give access to Durable. And you can see that you have logged into your Durable AI account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Durable AI account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.